Good morning. I am one of the OET aspirant from the EduSkills family. First of all, thank you, Father and admin team, for giving this wonderful opportunity to me. Today we are going to the reading part. Part B and C, it is mixing. The first question, we will go to the first question. When seeking consent for a post-mortem consent, it is necessary to. The question stem, we can the hedging words, it is a consent and post-mortem examination. It is necessary. That also it is important. Now we can go to the answer option. Before going the answer, what method we can use in the part B? It is QAT method. It is question, answer stem and text. That is the method we can use in the part B reading. Now we can go to the answer stem. Give a valid reason for conducting it. Valid reason, that is the hedging words, keywords, main keywords. Then B, answer saying allow all relatives the opportunity to decline it. Allow all relatives, it is the absolute. The meaning also need to come absolute, then only we can eliminate. Then all relatives the opportunity to decline it. It is all relatives, that meaning that we can eliminate. First we can eliminate, we can read the text also. Now C answer going, only raise the subject after death has occurred. The only raise after death has occurred. We can the hedging words after death has occurred. Now we can get the answer it is easily, because there is all relatives is absolute and only raise the only it is the absolute. Then easily we got the answer. But now we can go to the text. It is we have to confirm. It is post-mortem consent. We can read, a senior member of the clinical team, preferably the consultant in charge of the care, should raise the possibility of a post-mortem examination with a most appropriate person to give consent. Then the person consenting will need an explanation of the reason for the post-mortem examination and it hopes to achieve. That we have to go to the most appropriate give consent. That appropriate the person consenting, we need to explanation. It is paraphrasing words in the automatically it is the giving the answer A, the valid reason for conducting it. We have to explain to the consent that person. Then it is a first approach should be made as soon as it is apparent that postpartum examination may be desirable, as there is no need to wait until the patient has died. Until the patient has died. The C answer saying only raise the subject after death has occurred. It is the opposite. Then automatically we can eliminate the answer. What is the B also? It is saying it is not given. It is the all relatives opportunity to decline it. It is not mentioned. The C answer says opposite. The A answer already we got the answer. The person consenting will need an explanation, the reason for postmortem examination. We need explanation, that valid reason for conducting it. Then that last there is no need. Then many relatives are more preferred for consenting procedure if they have had time to think about beforehand. Now we can go to I think that all are getting the answer. It understand that A answer is the correct. They will give a valid reason for conducting it. Now we can go to the next question. This guidelines extract says that the nurse in charge. This guideline, that guideline we have to the mark. This is a part B question. Guideline, then says, then opinion, the nurse in charge. Now we can come to the answer option. Must supervise the opening of the control cupboard key. Control cupboard. B answer saying should make sure that all ward cupboard keys kept together. And C answer saying can delegate the responsibility for the cupboard keys to another ward. Now same method we can use. It is the QAT method. The first keywords is hedging words is the must supervise. Then B answer option, it is the all word cupboard keys kept together. Then C answer saying it is can delegate the responsibility. Now we can come to the text. We can read the text. Medicine cupboard keys. The keys for the control cupboard keys are the responsibility of the nurse in charge. This is the topic sentence. What it is saying, the main control idea is the keys. Then they may pass to a registered nurse. The keys, they means key. The key may be passed to a registered nurse in order for them to carry out their duties and return to a nurse in charge. When there is duty finished, then they can give to the they can return the nurse in charge. It is coming answer, but we can read the answer. Text. If the keys for the control drug cupboard go missing, the locks must be changed and the pharmacy informed and the insurance form completed. It is written anywhere. It is the must supervise the opening the control drug cupboard key. No, it is the only key missing. We have to the locks must be changed, pharmacy informed and the insurance form completed. It is written, that's all. It is not mentioned. Answer A. Then we can read it. The control drug cupboards should be kept separately from the main body of the keys. It is mentioned separate. It is B answer saying all word cupboard keys kept together. We can eliminate automatically. We can eliminate for A and B. Eliminate. We already got the answer. It is C. Now it is inference or conclusion based question also. We can say this question because it is the answer. It is in the last paraphrasing the question. The answer is coming. If necessary, apart from in exceptional circumstance, the keys should not leave the ward or department. If necessary, that is okay. The nurse in charge should arrange for the keys to be held in neighboring ward or department by the nurse in charge there. It is means can paraphrasing the same option, can delegate the responsibility for the cupboard keys to another ward. I think that answer C is the correct answer. All are understand. Now we can move to the next question. This question, the Cancer Council advises that. The Cancer Council name is their advice. This is four option, multiple option is there. It is the part C reading. Part C reading, our method is QTA method, question, text and answer method. Now as per the father strategy, we can go there. First we read the answer option. There are many health benefits of alcohol. B answer saying the benefits of drinking red wine to prevent or treat heart disease are conclusive. The C answer saying the evidence that alcohol can prevent or treat heart disease is inconclusive. The D answer saying there is a safe level of drinking 1 or 2 standard drinks a day when it comes to cancer. Now here what method we can use as per the father teach that one, that there is one strategy is there. It is two straight opposites coming, that is any one is the answer. The remaining two answer is we can eliminate. That means B answer saying it is conclusive and C answer saying inconclusive. Then any one of the that is the two of them, one of the answer is there. Now A and D is we can easily eliminate. Then only we have two options. Now how we can read the text now. We can find it, we can check it. Then one more strategy is there. Even topic sentence itself they can give the answer. That also as per the father strategy we can go through. Okay, yeah. First, but what about the heart health benefits of alcohol? Well, the evidence is inconclusive. and potentially flawed at present, the Cancer Council says, adding the National Health Foundation advised against drinking red wine or any type of alcohol to prevent heart disease. Now it is itself the topic sentence, it is saying it is the inconclusive. It means no need to read the full text. Even we got the answer, it is inconclusive. The C answer saying it is inconclusive. The correct answer is the evidence that alcohol can prevent or treat heart disease is inconclusive. The name also here we can use, that is Cancer Counseling says. The remaining, that is other, because Cancer Counseling remaining text we can read it. The message to consumers that there is no evidence to suggest there is safe level of drinking when it comes to cancer. It is the D is opposite, because there is safe level when it is come, because it is written there is no evidence. Even there are, it is not mentioned many health benefits. It is the A answer, it is saying there are many health benefits. In the text there is not mentioned many benefits. D answer also we can exclude. The remaining, however it is contrast word. Given the risk increases the amount, the Cancer Council suggests that anyone who wants to drink should stick to the National Health and Medical Research Council guidelines, no more than standard drinks a day, healthy men and women. A standard drinks is usually described the equivalent of 100 ml wine or 280 ml of beer, but it can be very depending on the alcohol content of the beverage. It is not mentioned anything, only that answer option. It is easily before the text we can easily we can eliminate the two answer option. Then in the topic sentence itself we got the answer. It is easily we can take the time. I think all are understand. The answer option is C. The evidence that alcohol can prevent or treat the heart disease is inconclusive. Now we can go to the last question. What does the psychologist Molly Crossman mean when she says that the evidence is a wash? Now in the question stem, that name is the important. Molly Crossman says, that also opinion we need, that evidence is wash. What does? Now we can, this is also question, text and answer option. Now we can go to the answer option, that evidence is of no benefits to everyone. It is no benefit, we have to mark it, the key hedging words, it is no benefit to everyone. Okay, no benefit. B answer says there is evidence is weak. I think there is spelling mistake, weak, weak. Now there is evidence is bad. The bad is the hedging words, keywords. D, the evidence is conveniencing. Okay, here also we can as per the father strategy we can two opposite, straight opposite is coming means we can eliminate the other two options. The one of them the answer is correct. The B answer saying the evidence is weak. The D answer saying the evidence is convincing. Convincing means it is sure, it is the weak and confirm. That is the straight opposite. Then easily we can eliminate the A and C. Now we can go to the text. Now we have two options is there, but still we can read the answer, read the question. Human-animal interaction has been a subject of research for decades. Even so, the evidence is a was, according to the psychologist Molly Crossman, who conducted to the review. Some studies find interacting with pets has benefits, others do not. Interacting with pets has benefits. There is some benefits, but in the text here saying there is no benefits to everyone. But here it is text says pets has benefits, others do not. That method also we can eliminate the answer. Then another problem is the quality of the such studies. For instance, that those that look at the animals assisted therapy have only examined short-term impact. Also, it's not usually a control group to compare as a result in studies. So whether impact is significant is question. It is so whether the impact is significant is in the question, and if so, it is there are also question, and it is if so means it is not confirmed. It is that D also we can eliminate. It is bad. It is not written, but it is not confirmed, because this all our question impact is significant is an question, and if so, whether or not the benefit is long term. We can easily we will read the text, we can understand. It is clear the human animal interaction HAI has a small to medium impact in near term, but beyond that we just don't know. This kind of research may be tamed for another reason. In many of these settings, a trainer brings the animal in, but what effect does the trainer have on these outcomes? Or also outcome also query. The positive benefits might derive not from interacting with the animals, but its handler. Okay, now going this is like gist based, it is coming this question. I think it is the answer option is the evidence is weak, because the question is so whether impact is significant in question, then it is other do not, then it is automatically we can read this text, we can get this answer.